Hello people, right, I've just got back to my charts. It's about 10:15 and had a quick look at Euro, just because I've been watching Euro quite a lot recently. I don't really trade it that much, as you're probably aware, and just something that I don't mention very often during my videos, but look, I'm looking at this to see whether there's a potential for a short or a long or whatever. And as it stands, we're on a 5-minute chart now, and we've got a trend in place: low, high, high, low, high, high, and wondering if this is going to go short. It went short here, or the price dropped here, should I say, and look at the difference in the RSI histo. Smack through the 20 with that nice big reversal candle there, this one I'm talking about. Through the 20 on the RSI, all is good. Price absolutely crashes down to this level. Now, potentially, what can this tell us? Well, if there are any stops or orders here, they've been eliminated, as it were. So, why should it come down again in reality? That is just the common sense of this particular setup, in my opinion. Mechanics of it, call it what you like. Looking at this one, this tells me we've reversed down. Let's double check what we look like on that. So that's the reversal level high. We've broken all these support levels here. I'm not sure whether we've broken that one. Remember, I'm looking at this on the fly, really, which is always the best way to look at these things, in my opinion. That one opened 2621, that low 2624. So no, it didn't break it. It'd want to be 2625, wouldn't it? So that still held as resistance there. Support holding as resistance. As you can see now, price is pushing up a little bit. We've broken this resistance level, but it's instantly failed to hold as support, this one in fact has held as support. I hope you understand what I'm saying here. It's repelled that candle there. If it closed below there, then personally I would think that this might go down again, but the histo would have to agree, and it doesn't. There's no power to the downside. So reading this as it is, it looks like it's got further to go to the long side, and that is just basically off the cuff reading of the RSI histo. Whether it adds any value to what you are doing, or if you're watching these videos, is up to you. Now, if this busts below that 20 level, and then we have a little pullback, say, and all the candlesticks are in alignment, this would be quite interesting level, because that is the reversal, trend reversal down. Low, high, high, low, high, high. And then we need the high, low, close and all that lot song. And what then it would mean is we've got no resistance below us. Just these, what I call minor supports, because they're in this small uptrend. They're not really creating any power to the upside. So let's have a quick double check of all the higher time frames, which I suggest you always do, and build up your levels. Look how this H4 again, this H4 high was the beast that had to be broken through. It's been broken and closed through. I talked about this in previous days' videos. We've got all this resistance below us as well, which is going to cause a problem, in my opinion. Here Not sure whether we've got one on that one. H4 highs, remember, they are powerful. So all these represent levels of potential targets, of course, along with that support level there. If we were to go further down, so just double check the daily. Beast of a daily resistance there, which we're attacking at the moment. That green candle's high, and a beast of a daily support here, which is the reversal level. So if it comes down below here and then pulls back, so we could get a you know, as a scalper I would be looking for trades to the long side if we close below this. But if we close below this as well, then and came further down, as it were, always the nearest support broken is likely where price is going to stop. So just thinking out loud on the euro, let's see what it's actually doing. Pushing up, as I said it probably would. Don't get caught into shorts. If we get some momentum to the upside, in other words we break this 20 level and we break this bust, so break and close, this would be quite interesting back up to some sort of levels over here. Probably test that old H4 high, in fact, but nothing has to happen. We just trade the candlestick reversals.